What are you doing? What are you doing? Okay, let's go start. Come on.
I a stuff. If I stay good, Dad will take my
No.
me to go at the cat.
Toys.
And
Remember?
bike.
Bike. Good job. Second one. You want to circle it? Second sentence? Not yet. Until you finish. Sound it if you have to sound it, okay?
When the rain
Remember?
comes,
Good job.
Mom don't does not let
Good job.
Valdi
Okay.
play
OU apa?
out
Out. And then
side.
outside. Good girl. Circle it. Now yang nomor 3. OU apa?
Out.
And then ouch. Good girl. And then
It hurts.
ouch. It hurts.
I
Sound it if you have to sound it. Jangan diaur.
think I need
Okay.
to sleep.
Okay. Good girl. Circle it, please. Nomor 4. Here.
Look.
Here, look. Sound
That.
That. Good job.
Boy sneeze,
Sneeze.
but does
Does.
not close his mouth.
Good job. Ayo, circle it. Number 4.
Mommy,
Give me high five. Good girl. Good girl. Can I have 2 more here? Huh?
I want to ask a question.
Mm-hmm.
When he didn't close his mouth, the germs go all over everybody.
Of course, because when you sneeze, if you don't cover your mouth, the germs spread out. Germs can be easily spreading out.
Michael, when cough, don't.
He doesn't close his mouth. That's not nice thing to do. You have to close your mouth. Say bye-bye first.
Bye.
Bye.